Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss about acute respiratory infection. So it is also a communicable disease. So what is the positive agent? Bacteria, human influenza type B bacteria, Bordetella pertussis corynebacteria, corynediphtheria. So corynebacterium diphtheria. So with the help of the positive agent of pertussis and diphtheria along with human influenza type B bacteria will lead to acute respiratory infection. So what is the virus? So virus causes acute respiratory infection such as influenza, parainfluenza, measles and other chlamydia, mycoplasma, pneumoniae. So what is the mode of transmission? Droplet infection. And what is the clinical features? So clinical features is rhinorrhea, so cough, sore throat, dyspnea. Dyspnea stands for difficulty in breathing and fever. So WHO classified fast breathing into different categories such as pneumonia, no pneumonia and severe pneumonia. So according to the heartbeat. So how can WHO classify? So according to the age of a child. So 2 months, less than 2 months, the child will be breathing more than 60 per minute. Then we consider it is a fast breathing. More than 50 per minute 2 to 12 months and more than 40 minutes 12 to 59 months. That means 1 to 5 years. So this WHO classified accordingly. So management, how can we manage pneumonia, no pneumonia and severe pneumonia? In the case of no pneumonia, no chest indrawing, no fast breathing will be the clinical features. There is no presence of chest indrawing and no fast breathing. Symptomatic treatment at home will be provided for the management of no pneumonia. Pneumonia, in the case of pneumonia, fast breathing, no chest indrawing. Fast breathing but no chest indrawing. So antibiotic will be provided at home and such as cotrimoxazole is the antibiotic. Severe pneumonia, fast breathing, chest indrawing. So both clinical features will be present, fast breathing and severe pneumonia, chest indrawing. Antibiotic at hospital will be provided. So this is all about acute respiratory infection. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video is useful for you, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family. Thank you.